Welcome to Bunky's Kitchen. Let's make some sesame rice. On a medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Now add 1 cup of rice when the garlic gets fragrant. Continually stir the rice until it's a little toasty. Add 1 3/4 cups of water. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Heat to a boil, cover then simmer on low until the rice is done. Once the rice is done, add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and sesame seeds if you would like. Then you're ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.